Tesla battery high voltage distribution disassembly and assembly training bench. Product introduction. Tesla Model 3 power battery pack high voltage distribution system, including BMS management system, DC-DC direct current converter, OBC-AC charger, high voltage positive pole contactor, high voltage negative pole contactor, charging management control unit, power battery pack wiring harness, power battery high voltage line, components such as mobile platforms and teaching boards. The connection control relationship between the high voltage distribution core components of Tesla Model 3 power battery pack cultivates students' ability to analyze and handle faults in the high voltage distribution of Tesla Model 3 battery packs. The course resource package is based on the Tesla Model 3 pure electric sedan as a prototype. Clearly demonstrate the electric knowledge and principles of Tesla Model 3 pure electric sedans. Describe the structure, working principle, and circuit principle of high voltage battery system and drive motor system through animation, 3D, and other methods, and form a new energy education resource package to assist teachers in teaching, applicable to Tesla Model 3 pure electric sedan teaching assessment. Function introduction. 1. The main components are installed on the platform, and the electrical connection method is the same as the actual vehicle, which can be easily disassembled, allowing students to master the key points and safety protection of high voltage system components during the disassembly and wiring process. 2. The teaching board fully displays the charging and discharging control schematic of the power battery pack. The static parameters of high voltage distribution components can be detected with the help of a multimeter. 3. High voltage working path. Divide the high voltage working state into 10 states. Stop state, EV working state, braking energy feedback, leakage state, air conditioning compressor, battery heating, AC charging, DC charging, and so on. Vividly demonstrate the working principle of high voltage electricity through dynamic circuit diagrams, and click on relevant knowledge links for each component to fully demonstrate the working path and control principle of high voltage electricity. 4. Power battery pack. Based on the complete 3D diagram of the power battery, it is divided into 4 submodules, including battery parameters, external structure, internal structure, and connector pin definitions. Enable students to have a clear understanding of the internal structure of the battery pack, even when detached from the physical object. 5. Conversion system, including OBC, DC-DC, and onboard charger. Explain the structure, composition, working principle, and circuit principle of each component. 6. Powertrain, including motor, gearbox, and differential, displaying the composition, structure, and work transmission path of each component through a 3-dimensional structure. 7. AC-DC charging, divided into contact definition, charging circuit diagram, charging process, and charging timing.